Hi everyone, this is Salman. I'm an architect and I live and work in Dubai. Since the pandemic, the way we work and collaborate has changed dramatically, and as an architect, be it collaboration or presentation, we have adapted to these new tools quite fast. For me personally, work from home has had a positive impact. I avoid spending the time in traffic to commute daily and be more productive with my time. The shift to start working from home for me was an opportunity to enhance and upgrade my workspace. A cozy, efficient, and aesthetic manscape. So let's dive into it. I started with adding some texture to the white walls using off-the-shelf Ikea pleated blinds as a wallpaper. A set of Logitech MX keys coupled with the black MX Master 3.
An iPad Pro 12.9.
It's a powerful tool that I use on a daily, be it at home or on the go. It helps me collaborate with the team, sketching, writing, editing, and a lot more. I will be covering my productivity apps for architects in the upcoming video. Artistic yet functional accessory stand by Ikea. Rode Mini USB for online meetings and YouTube videos. Having it on the boom arm is ideal and it's easily adjustable. So I have two workstations, a Dell Alienware 17 which is quite heavy for commute, however performs as a beast. I really like the build quality and design. It's built like a tank. It has a GeForce graphics card which helps in reducing rendering times. And the other machine, HP Zbook Fury. With a dedicated quadro graphics card, it speeds up the real-time application performance for vector-based applications like Revit or AutoCAD. So this thing is the elephant in the room. It is the Omen Accelerator, which is packed with RTX 2080 Ti, and it is a monster. It can handle anything you throw at it. For me, it helps visualize real time in Inkscape or Lumion while I am designing. It's not just about tech. I love to be surrounded by green friends. So I have a Bonsai Ficus, which is a natural air purifier, sitting next to me along with a money plant. It just adds a little warmth and nature into the mix. And of course, the desk is set up next to the window where every morning I sip a hot cup of coffee with the sunlight kissing my desk. Both laptops easily connect to this LG ultra-wide 35-inch QHD curved monitor, which gives enough screen real estate to work on 3 to 4 applications simultaneously. So guys, that was all for now. I hope you liked my workspace. Hit the subscribe button if you really liked the video. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.